Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will make how to make splash screen activity and how to move from splash screen activity to another activity. Here is my main activity, which is basically a splash screen activity. Look at this. I want to use my splash screen activity as an image view and progress bar. I define image view and progress bar, and I want to see here in the center of my linear layout. So linear layout, gravity, I define gravity center, orientation is vertical, and the background color of my linear layout is red. So go on the background file, private static integer splash time out. I give define color, I define 4000 millisecond, which is basically a 4 second. Image view, image view, image view, image view. Find view by id r dot id dot image view. I define this id on the XML file of my image view. See here, the image view id define image view. I want to see some animation on my image view, so animation is equal to animation utils dot load animation. R, this is a reference of this activity. R dot because I want to see this animation in my main activity splash screen dot splash screen. I make a folder of my I make a folder anim, and the XML file of my splash animation is in this folder, anim folder. So I want to see this animation on image view dot start animation. Now the handler element used in the splash screen activity dot post delete new runnable. So if you want to go from splash screen activity to another activity, you write intent, new intent in this method of run. Main activity dot this to welcome activity dot class. Start activity into I, and this activity is finish. We go from main activity to welcome activity, which I make here. Look at this, welcome to main. We move from splash screen activity to this main activity in 4 seconds, because I define time here is 4000 millisecond, which is basically a 4 second. Now we run and see the result. See this. This is the splash screen activity, which I move this splash screen activity to main activity in 4 seconds. I hope you guys understand very well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.